Hello everyone, one good morning to all of you. Would like to welcome to all to our this session of YouTube channel. I hope you all are good, fit, fine, and well. So with the continuation of our international relation, I would like to start our topic from the India's role in world affairs. Okay, guys. Yes, from India's role in world affair. Okay, so before letting to start our topic, would like to highlight the objective of the today's session, that to develop a approach to understand the question with respect to international relation. Second objective, to help you analyze the previous year question trend of the previous year question, along with the what will be the expected question in upcoming sessions. And the third objective, to have in-depth knowledge regarding the India's role in world affair, uh, and it include the India and neighborhoods. So in this note, we are going to start our today discussion, which will include the neighborhood fast policy, BIMSTEC, SARC, MGC, then the Indra doctrine, Gujarat doctrine, Lookist policy, Linquist policy, Actist policy. So these all the things is going to cover in a single class. Okay, I will try to cover that thing. So guys, without delay, let's start our discussion. As you know that first we supposed to discuss the previous year question, and followed by we are going to revise the theory or expected informations which can easily convert into the questions. So guys, without delay, let's see the first question, and it is a very controversial question of your 2023 December SSB lecture paper. The question is about India launched Lookist policy having objective to develop the political, economic and security cooperation with the country of the Southeast Asia in the year 1990, 1991, 1992 and 1999 and 2014. So बहुत स्टूडेंट एथिरे कौन हले ना एथे क्वेश्चन रे फसी गले. They all are wrong with this question, because they provide the all of the students believe that the Lookist was basically in 1992, and I have also shared a official and authentic document to all of you in my Telegram ID, that the thing which you believe, that is not the answer, but according to the ministerial of the external ministerial affairs, okay, website, if you check, the 1991 is the correct answer of the Lookist policy. So option B, and it is by the government of India and also by the SSB, the 1991 the Lookist policy. I believe it is clear to all of you, and I will also extend my help to cover this much of controversial and the problematic question. I believe, I admit that thing, that in most of book they mention that Lookist policy in 1992, but guys, sometimes you need to also cross checks, okay, with the help of some authenticate data and notes. For example, your official website of the external ministers and the press bureau, okay, PIB, press information bureau, okay. So you need to do a cross checks there also, okay, because the foreign policy is all about a dynamic concept and dynamic in natures. Then next question, what is the focus of India's Act East policy? So the answer of this question is option C, that extend the neighborhood in Asia Pacific. So one need to understand what is the difference between Lookist and Actist. Lookist mainly emphasize on socio-economic relation with South Asian basically nations, but on other hand, your Actist policy talks about the South Pacific, it including your South Asia, Southeast Asia, okay. So it basically the South Pacific, okay, Asia Pacific, okay, Asia Pacific, okay. And then moving to the next question, that which of the following is known as the India's Monroe doctrine? So it was one of the previous question of your SSB, and the correct answer of this question option B, so Indra doctrine. So with the analysis of the previous year question, we come to a conclusion that one need to have an extensive study about this mentioned topic, okay. So if you really want to crack the examination, you have to have a complete understanding of these topics, okay guys. So with the help of one seats, okay, with the help of one seats, I would like to cover the topic, okay, India and its neighborhood, okay. So we will cover in this way. For example, SAARC, the South Asian Association for the Regional Cooperation, it has total how many member? Total member is 8 members, okay. If someone asks there are how many member in SAARC, then total 8 member are SAARC. And who is the latest member? Now Afghanistan is the latest member to join SAARC in 2007. So in 2007 the Afghanistan is the latest member who joined the basically SAARC, okay guys. Very nice, okay. Then total observer state in SAARC, the total observer state in 9, okay. Then the headquarter of the SAARC is Kathmandu, Nepal, okay. Kathmandu, Nepal is used to a headquarter of the SAARC, okay. So in which year the SAARC was formed? 1985. So in recent UGC net cancelled examination, they asked the question the SAARC was found in which year? So it is 1985. Then along with the line of the SAARC, South Asian University was formed in 2008 in India. So South Asian University was established in India in 2008, okay guys, in New Delhi, okay guys. So you can see this is the basically the SAARC map, okay. With the help of the map you can understand the who is the part of the basically SAARC, okay. And this basically this marked color is there the observer states, okay. You can see also that Russia is not the observer state of the SAARC. So this was a question of your UGC net. They can ask the question that who among the following is not a observer state of the SAARC, then you need to remember Russia is not a observer member of the SAARC, okay guys. After SAARC, we need to discuss the ASEAN, that is how Association of the Southeast Asian Nations, okay. Association for the Southeast Asian Nation. Here the map, okay. Here the map, these are the country of your ASEAN country, okay. That is how Southeast, okay guys. So in the basically the eastern part of your Asia, okay, southeastern part of your ASEAN, that is South basically ASEAN country. And do remember India is not a part of ASEAN, okay, because India part of the southern part of the Asia, okay. So most of people have confusion that India is part of ASEAN. No, India is not a member of the ASEAN, okay guys, that need to remember. So there are how many countries in ASEAN? The 10 countries in ASEAN, and it is fixed, and no one going to join in this basically the organization, okay. So total how many countries? 10 countries in ASEAN. And year of foundation of ASEAN 1967, okay. If someone asks in which year SAARC was founded, then what would be your answer? 1985. 1985 your answer. If someone asks in which year ASEAN was signed, 1967, okay guys, okay. Then latest member of the ASEAN, the Cambodia, okay. So Cambodia was joined in 1999. So 1999, okay. So Cambodia was latest to join the basically ASEAN, okay guys. Then there are two observer state in ASEAN, that is how the Timor and Papua New Guinea, okay. Papua New Guinea and Timor. Then headquarter of the ASEAN, Indonesia, Jakarta, okay guys. Indonesia, Jakarta, the headquarter of ASEAN, okay. Then India is not a member, that you need to remember, as I have also remarked in the map that India is not member of the ASEAN. Very very important, because people have a confusion with this, okay. Then after ASEAN, one need to understand IORA, Indian Ocean Rim Association. What is the full form of IORA? Indian Ocean Rim Association. So as Indian Ocean Rim Association for Regional Cooperations, total member 23 state. How many member in IORA? The 23 states. So 23 states, the total member of IORA, okay guys. And dialogue partner 12. Headquarter Mauritius even, okay. So I can show you in the map. So this is your Mauritius. Which is your Mauritius? This is your Mauritius, okay. This is your Mauritius. So as I am circled, this is your Mauritius, and there the basically IORA, Indian Ocean Rim Association headquarter used to be established. Okay, the first established as Indian Ocean Rim Initiative in Mauritius on March 1995. So initially it is known as Indian Ocean Rim Initiative, but in 1997 it is known as Indian Ocean Rim Association for the regional cooperations. Okay, so if they ask the question what is the year of the formation IORA, that is the Indian Ocean Rim Associations of a regional cooperation, then your answer would be 1997. If they ask the question what is the formation year of formation of Indian Ocean Rim Initiative, that is 1995. Very nice. Then quadrilateral. Okay, so quad the country Japan, Australia, India and USA. So one need to understand the chronological initiative to formation of quad. 2004 there was a ocean tsunami. 2007 dialogue was initiated by the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. So after this incident, so Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe initiated a dialogue in 2007. Okay, in 2017 re-established after the negotiation. Okay, 2017 finally quad re-established. What is the objective? To impediment the growing hegemony of the China in Indo-Pacific and the Asia Pacific. So as you know that this is known here what, the Asia Pacific. This one is known as your Asia Pacific. If I talk about Indo-Pacific, this whole cover your Indo-Pacific. This whole cover your Indo-Pacific. Okay, so one need to understand what is the Indian Ocean, what is the China, South China Sea, what is the Indo-Pacific, what is the Asia Pacific. Okay, what is the Indo-Pacific and Asia Pacific. So your quad is about to counter the hegemonic of the China in Indo-Pacific region. Okay, so if someone asks the during the time of the quad initiative in 2007, we all know Manmohan Singh government was there. Then what is I2E2? It बहुत किसी remember करेगा नहीं, but you need to remember the country participate in I2U2. So I2U2 India, Israel and in UAE and USA. So I2U2. Then MGC Mekong Ganga Cooperation. There are total 6 members in Mekong Ganga Cooperation. If someone asks you what is Mekong Ganga Cooperation, then you will say now there are total 6 members and the country include the Ganga and Mekong River. So you can see Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos and Vietnam. So they are the member of the Mekong Ganga Cooperation. So this one is Ganga. Let me change my pen. Okay, this one is the India. It is a Ganga River. Okay, it is a Ganga River. And other 6 members are placed at the Mekong River. Other 5 members are placed at the Mekong River. I can zoom you. Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, other 5 members, they are the part of the Mekong River. Okay, so Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, basically Cambodia, they are the basically member. Okay, so total how many members? 6 members, and it was formed in 2000. In which year? Not 2000. Okay, during the time of your whom the government was there, though it is the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government are there during the time of your Mekong Ganga cooperations. बहुत बढ़िया, you are so intelligent. Then BBIN, the BBIN were 1996, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal. So Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, the BBIN formations. Okay, and formed the South Asian Growth Quadrilateral to boost energy and power, trade and investment, transport and tourism. Okay, so BBIN is also initiative under the basically what the I would say your the neighborhood fast policy. Then BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical Economic Cooperation. So is an international organization of the 7 nations that South Asia and Southeast Asia. So you can see here South Asia include your India, South Asia include your India, South Asia include your Sri Lanka, South Asia including your Nepal and Bhutan. So these are the South Asian country, they part of your BIMSTEC. And also there is a Southeast Asia nation in the BIMSTEC. Say for example Here you can see the Thailand, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay, so sorry, Myanmar, Thailand. Okay, the two southeast nation also there. I can zoom out. Okay, I can zoom out. Thailand and Myanmar also part of your basically BIMSTEC. So BIMSTEC is not only including the South Asia nation but also Southeast Asia. So if I ask the question why BIMSTEC is required, because India trying to focus or emphasize alternative to the SARC. We all know the SARC as a regional organization is no longer successful because uh, the Pakistan's always create problem to the India, and India want to divert its attention to a alternative mechanism to the SARC, and that alternative mechanism is BIMSTEC, which was formed in 1997. So year of foundation of BIMSTEC 1997, and that is how enough. After the BIMSTEC, there is one other important thing, that is how SSCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization, and I have already shared important information in Telegram ID. Because why Shanghai Cooperation Organization is important? Recently, Shanghai Cooperation Organization Samiti was organized in Astana, Uzbekistan, and a landmark change also observed with respect to SSCO. For example, there are right now total 10 members. Initially it was 9 members when Iran was joined in SSCO. So Iran was joined in SSCO in 2023, it became 9 members. But in 2024 on 4th July, in Astana, Uzbekistan, Belarus is the latest member to join SSCO. Right now the member of the SSCO is 10. If they ask the question how many members are there in SSCO, then your answer would be 10. Okay, because Belarus is part of the SSCO right now. Okay, then the headquarter of the SSCO is Beijing, China. So most of people believe that the South, basically Shanghai Cooperation Organization means its headquarter might be in Shanghai, but no guys, as you think, it's not like that. Your answer is Beijing, China. So in Beijing basically the SSCO headquarter was located. Then SSCO was created in which year? 2001. So in which year the SSCO was created? 2001. Very important everyone. So 2001. Then SSCO charter was signed in which year? 2002. Very important everyone. 2002. Then IBSA, the dialogue forum that galvanizing the South-South cooperation, that is IBSA. Then BRICS, the term BRIC was coined by Jim O'Neill. So who coined the term BRIC? Jim O'Neill. And there are 40% of global population and 25% of the global GDP. So BRIC says how many percent of global population? 40%. And how many percent of global GDP? 25%. BRICS. Okay, the latest member who joined the BRICS: Egypt, Ethiopia, UAE and Iran. Okay guys, so your Egypt, Ethiopia, UAE and Iran, they are the latest members joined to the BRICS. If they ask the question how many members are there in BRICS right now, total 9 members are there. How many members? Total 9 members are there. Because your, if I will basically highlight the map, you can see your Egypt, this one is Egypt, this one is basically your I would say Ethiopia, this is Iran and UAE. So they basically join your BRICS. Okay, who joined? Egypt, Ethiopia, UAE and Iran. Okay, Iran is also part of SSCO, Iran is also part of BRICS, India is also part of BRICS, India is also part of SSCO. They can ask the question that which of the following country are the similar between the BRICS and SSCO, or SSCO and BRICS. That can be also possible. Okay, in 2006 the the group was formalized as a BRIC during the first ministerial summit. So if someone asks that in which year the first ministerial summit was held, that is how 2006. So in 2006 the first ministerial basically meeting of the BRIC was held. That time it was BRIC, not BRICS. Okay, but in 2009 the basically BRIC became BRICS. BRIC became BRICS. Why? South Africa was joined, and that is how the considered as a year of formation of the BRICS. And the first BRICS summit was held in Yekaterinburg, Russia. So in Russia, Yekaterinburg, the first BRICS summit was held. Very important guys, in 2009. Okay, so year of foundation. If someone asks the question, what is the year of foundation of the BRICS? That 2009. Okay guys, 2009. Okay, so that you need to remember. Okay, so there is another small information that the G20 developing nations. So what is the G20 developing nation? Now you need to just remember, it is a G20 developing nation means it only include the developing country. Okay, unlike your G20, now it is G21 which include the both developed and developing country. But in the context of G20 developing nation, the year of birth is August 2003. G20 developing country, I am not talking about G21 which is a the global forum include the north and south country. Okay, south country and north country. But on other hand, G20 is a developing nation which only include the developing nation, was found in 2003. Okay, headquarter Patna, Bihar. But your G21 there is no headquarter, but in your G20 developing nation the headquarter is Patna, Bihar. Okay, there are 23 member in the G20 developing country. Okay, why this is important? Because it was asked in your Pol.sc, Odisha Public Service Commission latest examination. Okay, तो तुम देखिपे किभली भाव मुझे परिश्रम करी बहुत जगार तुम इनफर्मेशन कलेक्ट करुच्ची, ओपीएस को मुझे देखुची, यूजेस को देखुची. तो what are the trend of the political science questions, that my student is not going to miss any question in upcoming SSB lectures. That my objective, and you can analyze the way the content which I provide to you. So I can guarantee you that in no platform that provide this kind of facility without any cost. I know there are the good number of teacher who teach better than me, but they charge the fees and they basically did different thing. Okay, but I believe the free education which will be reached to the last or the class of the society. Okay, also that is my target. So guys, basically the time is now enough. I want to stop here. Okay, because I have some research work also, and whatever we have discussed, let me tell you again that we have discussed the neighborhood fast policy. Under that we have discussed the BIMSTEC, SAARC, MGC, along with we have discussed ASEAN. Okay, plus we have discussed your G20 developing nation. We have discussed your basically your IORA. We have discussed your BBIN. Okay, what is BBIN? Okay, so far so we have discussed all the things, and we have also discussed the SSCO. Okay, SSCO. Okay, so that is all the thing. And for the rest of thing, for example, Indra doctrine, Gujarat doctrine, Lukist, linguist, artist, and it require another class. And in this way I would like to take another class for the coverage of Gujarat doctrine, Indra doctrine, Gujarat doctrine, linguist and artist. Okay, for that you need to revise, till then you need to revise the basically the topic which I have told to you in this class. And this is all about from my side. And if you like my effort, do subscribe my channel, and do share with your friend, because if you share with one person, if a single people share with the single person, then it will be helpful to achieve my target of the 500 subscriber, that I have provide myself a target that I will do my best to achieve the 500 subscriber, and I need your help to reach to this milestone. And if you help me in this regard, I will really get grateful to you, and no one is going to stop you to help you for achieving your goal. So this is all about from my side. Thank you everyone for being part of this lesson. I hope it found interesting and valuable. Thank you so much.